So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to change units of dimensions in AutoCAD. It is very simple. Just select the dimensions that you want to change. As in, I want to change this dimension style. So let's see, you can see the difference. So I'll change the half of it. So let's say I want to change this. So just write properties in it, press enter, and scrolling down right over here you'll get the option of primary unit right over here. So here you can change the unit, the primary unit of the dimension, which is from here. You can just select from this drop down menu. You can have scientific, decimal, engineering, architectural, fractional, and you can also load your own unit if you have something in something just it is of your firm or something like that. So you can load that also. Rest, the most commonly used is the architectural one and the engineering one. Decimals are used where you want to give those in inches, like in inches, just inches, not feet and inches, just inches. So and after that you can also have alternate units like this, which will give you an in bracket in or in centimeters as you want your dimension units to be. So that's all for the video. It was a very simple thing to be changed, and thank you for watching, and share with your architecture friend who may need it.